Alrighty, well, so here is half of the next project once the sob is done in the channel, which will hopefully be in just over a month. Hopefully it'll be done. I've got stuff to do, but whatever. So this is a 2000 4Runner, limited, four-wheel drive, yada yada. It's got the 3.4, same as my 98. But the reason I bought this is because under here, this frame is clean. I guess it was originally a North Carolina truck. And they brought it up north here a couple years ago, so it's only seen like one, maybe two winters. And it got rolled, so you can see, I mean, yeah, it's totaled. But it's got good frame. It has a 3-inch lift in the front. That's what I was told. Looks like it's got new upper ball joints. I will definitely do the lowers. It's got some decent wheels on it. The tread isn't much. I'll definitely keep my other ones for the winter. But he put another axle in it and all new like trailing arms and whatnot. Axle seals. And so it's silver. I'm gonna save as many parts as I can just because it's in real nice shape yet. I don't think this hood is saved. I mean, it's savable, but I don't think it's worth my time. I really wanted the scooped hood, but I don't think that's gonna do it. But another cool thing, door's a little stuck, is it has the rear diff lock and the multi-mode transfer case, which I really wanted. So that is sweet. Hopefully I can get that to work with my other body. Interior's kind of gutted. But yeah, so this is what we got to work with. I mean, spotless. At least with what we're used to up where I live. Looks like it's got some nicer headrests than what I've got. Seat's pretty torn up. A little worse than mine, but overall, it's got what I wanted, which is the frame and a couple other goodies like the transfer case and the rear locker, which I may end up pulling and selling just because I don't think I'll ever end up rock crawling as much as I want to. And in the sand dunes, you don't need a locker. Just four-wheel drive works just fine. So other than that, obviously I'll just pull the body off. Both cars, I'll clean this frame up. Paint it or pour 15 or something real heavy duty to keep it from rusting, and doing what my frame on the 98 did. Keep the lift, so I'll get the rear lift for it, because when it got wrecked, he said the whole rear axle basically got taken out from underneath of it, so he just kind of plopped it together so it was drivable. But so I'll have to use my bumpers and everything, which is fine. My front bumper's all right, my rear one's pretty toasted, but hopefully the next couple years, since I'll have a solid frame to work with, I'll patch that body together. It's not bad yet, but I can get some nice bumpers on it sometime and other cool stuff. Maybe supercharger, turbocharger, V8 swap, we'll see. Long shot, future, but so that's what we got going on here. Hopefully this will be a nice project. I will definitely have this one on the channel. I haven't had time for a lot of the excursion stuff I've been doing just because I'm trying to crank it out. But other than that, we'll get to the sob soon. It'll be about a month. Month and 2 weeks, I should hopefully have it running. So that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for basically, I'm probably going to do as much as I can to make it a how-to frame swap on one of these. So thanks for watching. Catch you later.